If you want to power off your iPhone 16e, you have several methods that allow you to do so. The first method is by going to Settings, then you can choose General, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you will find Shutdown. After selecting that option, you will find this power off slider. You need to move this button to the right over here, and then once you release your finger or release that button, the phone will shut down. Another method to turn off the phone is by going to the control center. So on the right side of the phone, swipe from the top like this. Then in the top right corner, you will find this power button. Press and hold your finger on the power button for a second, and once you release that button, you will once again find the slider. And the third method is by using the combination of two keys, volume down and side button, or volume up and side button. You need to hold two of these buttons, use one of these combinations, hold it for approximately 2 seconds in order to show this slider here again, and then just, like I said, move the button to the right here in order to turn off the phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!